Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Handsome Nuggets. So today we'll be discussing about Real ID. So let's move to the screen and see it in details. First, let's try to understand what is Real ID. It's an optional document which acts as a driver license or your identification card. So if you come to this page dme.ca.gov and if you see what is Real ID, here is the description. In your Real ID, there would be a bear and a star logo, and in your normal ID, there won't be. So why we need this Real ID? So here is the description. It is federal compliant from 7th May 2025. You can use this card to board in a domestic flight, and there are other benefits too. So whether in the normal ID you will not have those benefits, it will just act like your identification card. Now let's see how we can get it. So there are four simple steps. First, you need to gather required documents. Next, you need to create a DMV account. Then you need to fill the application online and upload your documents. And fourth, in-person visit in DMV office. So if you come to this site or if you click on this Real ID icon, you will navigate to this page where first thing you will see what all document they need. So here they have mentioned all the required document they accept for your identification. So here is the full list. You can see for us, like we are non-immigrants. So for us, I think this will be the suitable one where we have a foreign passport, valid US visa and approved I-94 form. Now in step 2, you need to complete the application online and upload your documents. So if you click on it and you can see you can have an option to start the application. So before you begin, they have given some instruction. You can go through each one of them, but let me show you, let me highlight a few things here. First thing, you need an online account, right? Second thing, you need your social security number. Third thing, you need to have your valid passport. And fourth thing, you can have your utility bill or bank statement for your proof of address. Here, your passport, I-94 and your visa will confirm your identification, and your utility bill, bank statement. These things will help you in your address verification. Okay, so one ID proof, one address proof. So two copies of address proof you need. Now once you click the start application button, it will navigate to this page where you will select the language and you will confirm that you don't have any DMB account. Then you have to create a DMB account. Let's click on it and create a DMB account. Here you need to mention your mail ID and you need to confirm your mail ID. After confirming your mail ID, you will receive an email to that same mail ID and you will have a button to confirm the email ID. So now once you click on that button, you will navigate to this page where you need to enter your first name, last name, phone number, US based, and what kind of notification you want, via text or via phone call. Once you enter all the details, then in your phone number, you will receive an OTP. You need to enter the OTP and confirm the phone number. After confirming your phone number, now it will prompt you to set your password and confirm your password. Now you have successfully created your account. Okay. So from this page, now we'll go to driver license and ID and click on new ID card application. Okay. And now you click on start application. So whenever you are logged in, so it will automatically allow you to start. Now it's asking for which language you want. Let's say English. And if you have created account, let's continue. Now this time we have already created, so we'll not click on create new account. Now here are some questions they are asking. So go through it and select whichever suits for you. For me, get a new driving license for the first time. Let's click on it. What you want? If you want driving license, select this one, or ID card this one. Let's click on ID card. So there will be very simple questions which you will be able to answer them. Okay. Now in this page, they're asking, do you want to apply for Real ID? Let's select yes and click next. Now you have to fill all your details here and then you have to click next. So after filling all the details, now it will come to your street address, where do you live. So you need to fill your address, US address, and you need to mention whether you want this address to receive your email or not. Receive your mails. So after filling your street details, now they will ask you some personal details. You need to fill all of this and then click next. Next page, it will ask you whether you have applied with a different name or not. Next, it will ask you whether you have served US military or not. Next, it will ask you whether you want to donate your organs or not. Next, if you are a US citizen, you want to register for vote or not. As we are non-immigrants, so definitely we'll select no. And after that, there will be some disclaimers. You can go through each of them and then click next. Finally, you will review your application and then click next. Then based on your application, it will show you how much application fee you need to pay. Next, it will start asking you to upload your documents. So here they will mention what kind of documents you can upload. For option 1, like first document, you can upload your passport. Okay. Or if you are a US citizen, you can upload your birth certificate. The second is your residency proof, such as your utility bill, gas, water, electricity, anything. And second address, it could be your rental agreement and all. So once you click on continue, now it will ask you to proof of identity, upload your proof of identity. So from here, you can select whichever best suits for you. So for us, uh, it should be unexpired foreign passport stamped with this one, or no, for us this one, unexpired foreign passport with US visa and approved I-94 form. Okay, and then you will press continue. Once you press the continue, then it's asking like whether the name is mentioned or not. Whatever your passport number, I-94 number and your visa, everywhere has to be the same name. So after clicking the option, now it will allow you to upload your document. So here, first thing you will upload your your passport. Then you will upload your I-94 and then US visa. So once you upload your US passport, I-94 and US visa, now the second phase comes where you need to upload your California residency proof. So here they need two type of document. One, it could be your rental agreement where your name, whichever is mentioned in your passport, has to be same, that name, and your address has to be exactly whatever you want to show in your DMV real ID. Okay, so that is one, could be your rental agreement, and second could be your utility bill. So in such case, you can use your internet bill or your electricity bill. Okay, and your phone bill, like phone or bank statement. Whatever, wherever your name is mentioned and your home details fully mentioned, you can upload those documents. So after uploading all your documents, then you will receive an email where it would be mention your confirmation code. There will be a confirmation code of 6 digit, and then it will be mentioned like what all documents you need to carry in the DMV office. Okay, so once you upload all the documents, now you can come to this appointment and then schedule appointment. Then you can select the center which is near to you. Okay, and then you can select the date and time which is feasible for you. So on that day, you can visit the VFS office, show your original documents, and you can complete the process. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video will help you whenever you go for applying Real ID. And stay tuned for our next video where we'll be sharing our experience, what happens during your DMV visit.